Hello. So we have learned a few steps that we need to do pre-bug bounty hunting, right? So today, first thing we have to learn about how to write a report, how to submit a report. Okay. After that, we can get into the uh, practical session. Fine. So 1 second. Okay. Let me open the doc first. So there can be two sides. First thing, you can report in the HackerOne or Buckroad platforms, or you can send the mail to the particular company. Okay. So if you are sending a mail, you can use this document as a report. Fine. So for that, bug bounty hunting report. I'll make it in the center. Fine. Reduce the font. Okay. So first thing we have to mention the bug type. For example, today we are going to learn about cross-site scripting. So just type cross-site scripting XSS. Bug description. So you have to explain what is cross-site scripting. So for that we can use ChatGPT. Let me add this. What is XSS? Okay, fine. This thing is fine. Okay, copy this and paste it here. Fine. So we have done bug type and bug description and type infected or affected URL. So you have to mention the where you got the bug. Okay. Then or here you can mention 1 second title. Access leads to account takeover. So just simply explain what is the bug in the first one. Okay. So I'm mentioning that in the title and it's a bug type and a bug description and it's the affected URL. For example, in this case, let me type reddit.com/login. This is the URL. You have to give full URL. Copy paste it from the browser. Okay, fine. So we are done title, bug type, bug description, and affected URL. The next thing is the step to reproduce. Step to reproduce. So first step, what we have to do, go to the URL. It's just an example. Okay, fine. Go to the URL or visit https://reddit.com/login. Second thing, try to log in with username and password. Third thing, okay, 1 second. JavaScript colon alert one. So in this example, when we visit this URL and try to log in with username and password, there will be a pop-up. There will be alert message which shows message one. Okay, that means this URL is vulnerable to cross-site scripting. Okay, whom the access got executed. So if you are using XSS cross-site scripting, you have to give document.domain or document.cookie. Please don't mention one or two in this alert box. Okay. You have to get document.cookie first. because if we get a cookie, there is a chance to take over that account. Okay, so when you are trying to do cross-site scripting, you have to take cookie first. Fine. Okay, then NB, please check the POC attached POC video for more details. Okay, so you have to keep record the video of the how you got the bug. Okay, you can use this screen recorder, screen.io. This is a screen recorder. You can use this recorder to record the screen, and you have to attach that video with this mail or with this HackerOne platform. Okay, then next step, impact. What is the impact of the cross-site scripting? Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll copy this, paste it here. What is the impact? Search to ChatGPT. If successful, the impact of the cross-site scripting include this thing. Okay, just copy these points and paste it here. Sorry. Okay. 1 second. W. Just paste it here and give the bulleted list. Okay. So now we give title, bug type, bug description, affected URL, step to reproduce, impact, and the last one is solution. What is a solution? Solution or mitigation? Okay. Oh, sorry. Yes. Give some mitigation. Yeah, these things are the mitigation. Okay, fine. Let me copy these things. Okay, copy it. Okay, paste it here. Okay. Just remove the extra bullet. Okay. So let me change the font to 14. Okay, let me increase the size. Yes. Save it as bug bounty hunting report of Reddit. Okay. So this is the oh sorry. Okay, there's space. Yeah. So now we need to send this document through mail to the reddit.com, right? So first need to we have to find the email address. After that we have to send this document and POC video to that mail. Also you have to write a clean and perfect body for that mail. Okay. So you can use ChatGPT also. Generate body for email of bug bounty hunting report. Dear sir, I hope this email finds you. I am writing the report to security. Yeah, you can copy this thing. No need to write everything. So I'll do one thing. I'll add this mail in the last page. Okay. Sorry. Email. Dear sir, I hope this email finds you. I'm writing to report a security vulnerability that I discovered during my bug bounty hunting efforts on your platform. Please check attached POC video and report for more details. And let me come back here. I'm committed to helping improving my this thing, and yeah, copy these two things. Okay, thankfully your name. Fine. So then this is not included in the bug bounty report. This is the body of the email body. Fine. So if you are sending the report through HackerOne platform, I'll show that also. Go to the opportunities tab. Yeah, I'll choose Yahoo. Here you have the submit report button. Just report your bug to the corresponding company. Okay, if you got bug in Yahoo, you have to report it here. Fine. So scroll down. Here you can choose the asset. So in I'll choose my asset name. What is yahoo.com? Yeah, I can choose this. Then scroll down and choose the weakness. What is the bug? So cross-site scripting. Stored cross-site scripting. Scroll down. You can choose submit without the severity. It's optional one, so you can choose that thing. And here we have to give the title. What's the title? This is the title. Copy this, paste it here. And in the description section, copy these things. Okay, copy this, paste it here, and leave that in back there. And the solution, Hannah, copy these two and paste in the description. Fine. And then the impact we have to copy the impact now. Let me copy this. Yes, this is the impact. Scroll down. Yeah, paste it here. And you can attach the video of the POC video here. Okay, attach here POC video here. Fine. And when you scroll down, okay, you have to give your additional information in particular programs. You have to give your IP address, URL, and all. And when you scroll down, you can see your report. You can preview your report. Okay, so this will be your report. And after that, click submit report. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll share this to you in our Discord. Okay, so I hope you understood how to write a bug bounty report and how to submit in HackerOne and also how to send it in a mail. Fine. So yeah, thank you. From the next video, we will learn about these vulnerabilities and we will discuss through Portswigger Labs. Also, we will discuss about the live bugs. Okay, we will discuss about the bug bounty reports also and Portswigger Labs. Fine. If you have any doubt, you can ping me.